The emergencies never stop at Adelaide's Vets for Pets 24-hour hospital. The work here can be challenging and intense for the medical teams. Dr. Erica, one of the most experienced vets, had pretty much seen everything. Until now.
Nice to meet you. So what's been going on with Clover?
Well, she's decided to eat a shark jaw.
Wow.
So there's obviously teeth in it.
Yeah.
It's like a fossilized shark jaw. I have a photo. Do you want to see this?
Yes, I would love to see the photo. So that looks like a jaw of a great white shark.
Yeah, so that's the bottom half, and then she's obviously
the
eaten
whole top
half.
Okay.
The top half has bigger teeth.
Wow. Okay.